testing the MARIGAUX M2 Altuglass and the MARIGAUX 901. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas and today I've prepared a video in collaboration with MARIGAUX about the Oboe M2 Altuglass. I'm going to play the study number 5 by Silvestrini with the Oboe M2 Altuglass, and afterwards we will listen to the same study played with an Oboe MARIGAUX 901. If you want to know more about the Oboe M2 Altuglass, it's already published a specific video in the YouTube channel, and also you can find the link here above. Find more information about online lessons and the MusicBayside Oboe project in the website of musicbayside.com and on social networks like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get all the notifications with the new videos. There is a new video every week. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in MusicBayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.